For homeowners seeking replacement windows Miami services, choosing a Miami replacement window company with local experience in Miami, Florida is the fastest way to improve curb appeal, comfort, and storm protection. From residential window replacement Miami projects in classic bungalows to modern high-rise upgrades, Window Replacement Miami, Florida options include custom replacement windows Miami, vinyl replacement windows Miami, and double pane replacement windows Miami for better insulation and durability. Homeowners searching for affordable replacement windows Miami or licensed Window Replacement Miami providers often prioritize quality installation, long-term value, and dependable scheduling from trusted home window installers Miami. In neighborhoods where style and performance matter, replacement windows in Coral Gables, Florida, replacement windows in Coconut Grove, Miami, and replacement windows in Pinecrest, Miami are often selected to match architecture while boosting energy savings. Energy-efficient replacement windows Miami products help reduce heat transfer in hot South Florida conditions, while soundproof replacement windows Miami help limit outside noise near busy streets and commercial areas. Custom replacement windows Miami are especially popular for distinctive homes needing picture window replacement Miami, casement window replacement Miami, or sliding window replacement Miami with a clean, modern look. Storm protection is a major reason many property owners choose impact replacement windows Miami and hurricane window replacement Miami for homes across Miami, Florida. In coastal and wind-exposed locations such as replacement windows in Miami Beach, Florida, replacement windows in Key Biscayne, Florida, replacement windows in Sunny Isles Beach, Florida, and replacement windows in Aventura, Florida, storm-resistant windows Miami deliver stronger performance during severe weather. A qualified Miami replacement window company can recommend modern replacement windows Miami designed for code compliance, improved security, and long-term weather resistance for homeowners who need dependable window upgrade services Miami. Urban properties often need efficient, attractive solutions, and replacement windows in downtown Miami, Florida, replacement windows in Brickell, Miami, replacement windows in Edgewater, Miami, replacement windows in Midtown Miami, Florida, and replacement windows in Wynwood, Miami, Florida are in high demand for renovations and property improvements. Window installation contractors Miami regularly install retrofit windows Miami in condos, townhomes, and mixed-use buildings where minimizing disruption matters. Window glass replacement Miami can also be useful for damaged panes, but full window replacement Miami, Florida is often the better choice when frames are aging, drafts are noticeable, or energy bills keep rising. Older homes benefit significantly from old window replacement Miami services because outdated frames and single-pane glass can reduce comfort and increase maintenance costs. In established communities like replacement windows in Little Havana, Miami, replacement windows in South Miami, Florida, replacement windows in Westchester, Miami, Florida, and replacement windows in Hialeah, Florida, many homeowners choose vinyl replacement windows Miami for low maintenance and lasting value. Best replacement windows Miami options for older properties often include double pane replacement windows Miami, soundproof replacement windows Miami, and energy-efficient replacement windows Miami to modernize the home without sacrificing character. Homeowners comparing styles can choose from sliding window replacement Miami for easy operation, casement window replacement Miami for ventilation, and picture window replacement Miami for unobstructed views and natural light. These modern replacement windows Miami are frequently selected for replacement windows in Kendall, Miami, replacement windows in Doral, Florida, replacement windows in Tamiami, Miami, and replacement windows in Miami Lakes, Florida, where families want both beauty and function. A reliable Miami replacement window company will help match each room with the right design, whether the project calls for custom replacement windows Miami or affordable replacement windows Miami with high-performance features. Finding replacement windows near Miami, Florida often means looking for home window installers Miami with strong local knowledge, responsive communication, and proven installation quality. Licensed window replacement Miami professionals understand permitting, coastal conditions, and material selection for every type of residential window replacement Miami job. Whether the need is Window Upgrade Services Miami for a single opening or full window replacement Miami, Florida for an entire house, experienced window installation contractors Miami can provide recommendations for hurricane window replacement Miami, impact replacement windows Miami, and storm-resistant windows Miami that fit both the property and budget. In growing suburban areas, replacement windows in North Miami, Florida, replacement windows in Palmetto Bay, Florida, replacement windows in Cutler Bay, Florida, and replacement windows in Homestead, Florida are frequently requested by homeowners preparing for weather season and energy improvements. Energy-efficient replacement windows Miami can help regulate indoor temperatures, while double-pane replacement windows Miami create a more comfortable interior throughout the year. For buyers searching best replacement windows Miami solutions, combining vinyl replacement windows Miami with expert installation from a trusted Miami replacement window company is often the ideal way to balance appearance, efficiency, and long-term value. Waterfront and luxury properties often demand premium finishes, which is why replacement windows in Miami Beach, Florida, replacement windows in Brickell, Miami, replacement windows in Coconut Grove, Miami, and replacement windows in Key Biscayne, Florida commonly include custom replacement windows Miami with upscale detailing. Modern replacement windows Miami can elevate both exterior design and interior views, especially when picture window replacement Miami is paired with impact replacement windows Miami. For owners focused on quiet interiors and better insulation, soundproof replacement windows Miami and energy-efficient replacement windows Miami are smart upgrades that improve daily living while supporting resale appeal in competitive Miami, Florida real estate markets. When planning a full upgrade, homeowners in replacement windows in Doral, Florida, replacement windows in Aventura, Florida, replacement windows in Coral Gables, Florida, replacement windows in Sunny Isles Beach, Florida, and replacement windows in downtown Miami, Florida often search for affordable replacement windows Miami without compromising quality. The right window replacement Miami, Florida project can include window glass replacement Miami where needed, but full residential window replacement Miami usually provides better structural integrity, weather resistance, and efficiency. From retrofit windows Miami to licensed window replacement Miami services, choosing the best replacement windows Miami installed by experienced home window installers Miami is the smart path for lasting performance in Miami, Florida.